Let's check out the absolutely amazing Runmefit Watch 4 GTS 10. And this is what the box of it looks like. We get really decent packaging actually on this watch. Okay, and let's open it up. Inside the box we get the watch itself. Also our magnetic charger here. And also a quick manual here as well. On this watch we also get very nice metal body. Quick release for straps. And even a speaker and microphone as well. We have very nice metal scroll wheel here. And a metal side button. And this is what the watch looks like on my wrist. We also get very nice raise wrist to wake function as well on this watch. So overall, when it comes to style and design, this watch actually looks very cool. On this watch we also get a very premium strap here. So you see we have this very nice rigid style strap over here. Very nice comfortable buckle here. So yeah, definitely even the strap feels very good on this watch as well. And we have all the sensors on the back of it. And let's check out everything we get on this watch. First, if I press and hold on my watch face, as you see I can change, for example, my watch face. By the way, we can also go in the phone app to download many more watch faces. As you see, yeah, these also look very decent. Also, when it comes to screen quality, I'm also very impressed overall with the screen quality. So not only it's very bright, but also the colors are also very punchy on the screen. Then if I, for example, swipe down, you see I can configure basically a bunch of settings here. So quick settings, for example, I can quickly launch my flashlight here, and the brightness also is excellent on the screen, so even outdoors in the sunlight you can still see very well. As you see, I currently even have it at half if I crank it to the maximum. So you see I can also, for example, use my scroll wheel here to interact with these things and adjust as you need. Basically, if I crank it to the maximum, my camera even has some problems like picking up the screen because it's so incredibly bright. So then also if I swipe up, you see I can get access to my notifications, maybe like SMS or WhatsApp notifications. So for example, if I open it up, you see I have, yeah, basically, so some notifications that I have, and we can clear that stuff here. And also I can use the scroll wheel, so by simply pressing it to go back to the main as well. If I swipe like this, you see I can get access to a bunch more things. For example, I can quickly check out my weather here. As you can see the forecast for the next days. Also check out how the system actually looks like. So yeah, it actually looks very high-end actually on this watch. Or also we can swipe from the left side as well to go back. Also we can easily control music from this watch as well. So if you have something playing on your phone, you can easily control. Basically, we have our calendar here as well, and also, for example, we can even do stress tracking here as well on this watch, which is absolutely insane. We also can get sleep tracking, so personally I actually do not care about sleep tracking, but obviously this watch can do it. And if you wear it at night, obviously you'll see a bunch more stuff here. So then if I swipe like this, so you see I can, for example, launch my activity tile. So you see how many steps I have done today, so far calories, and also distance walked. Again, my sleep stuff if I were to wear it, and bunch more stuff here. For example, my heart rate, so also this stress here. Also I can measure this blood oxygen as well on this watch, so obviously you need to wear it. So yeah, as you see, it's actually totally feature packed. Then if I, for example, press this, I can bring up all my exercise here. So we can quickly launch something. So for example, if I launch this is what it would look like. Okay. So you would see your heart rate here. Okay. Okay, yeah. Also, as you see in the workout screen, we can even control our music here as well if you swipe like this, which is very useful. So you see, if I actually place my finger on it, it actually detects my heart rate here. Okay, so let's end it. Okay, and also if you scroll all the way down, you can even add more workouts here. So let's see what we have, for example, here. There are a bunch of different categories basically for these workouts. When it comes to the total amount, I'm not exactly sure. Probably well over 100, something like that. Okay. Also, we even have water sports here as well. So we can even use it for that as well. And next, if I press my scroll wheel here, as you see, I can launch all my apps here and pretty much everything we have on the watch. For example, I can quickly launch the workouts again, or also even check my past workout records here as well. For example, as you see, this is what it would look like. So you can see even your zones, so the heart rate zones, basically how hard you have been working out actually. Again, this activity tile. Also check this, we can even see the step count for all the hours as well, so the for past hours. This also is very useful here. Even standing hours, I guess, as well. So again, heart rate tracking here. You can see your low and high. Sleep tracking, stress tracking. So let's see, we can even measure stress here as well. And probably the best health feature on this watch is this activity index essentially. So you see, it will essentially give you a score, how active you have been during the day, and also how healthy essentially you are. So you see, you can read it about it here. I will scroll down. So you see, basically as you walk, as you exercise, basically this score essentially fills up, basically, and you can very easily judge how active you have been basically for today and for the past week as well. I will show you that more in the phone app a bit later. So again, this can measure the blood oxygen here as well, respiration rate here. Also, we have some kind of like relaxation exercise here as well, if you care about that stuff. And also check this, yep, we can even literally call from this watch as well. Obviously, you need to have your phone in range to do this. So this doesn't have internal SIM card, simply relies on your phone. So for example, we can open up the contacts here, okay, or also dial something directly, and once you press this, basically it will make a call. And again, when someone calls you, again, you can pick up basically this on this watch. So weather, music controls, we have this again, some kind of like basically how active you have been during the day. Okay, you can pause it here. So I think this also is very useful on this watch. We have basic timer. You see, also the system is actually very decent on this watch. You can even set like a custom time here as well. So whatever you need. Basic stopwatch here as well. We can do split laps and stuff like that. Calculator. Yep. We can set multiple alarms here on this watch as well. Calendar, find my phone function, flashlight, and settings. So as you see, we have raise wrist awake function here as well. Oh, also we can actually customize this like lower button for any action. So you see, okay, shortcut button, see, so by default it actually launches the workouts, but we can customize it for many more things. So you see, you can see for yourself. For example, we can set it to launch a flashlight, which probably would be useful. So let's set it and try it out. So you see, once I press this, my flashlight actually gets launched. So yeah, how cool is that? And also let's quickly check out the phone app here as well. So you see, also the phone app is very decent on this watch as well. First, you see you have your vitality score. If you click this, also you will be able to see the past basically week, basically date, basically. So you can again probably pause it if you want to see what it does. Okay, then also, for example, you can see basically your activity data, step count for the day, week here as well. Also, if you, for example, click this, see distance walked and calories as well. The heart rate here, basically average, lowest, highest. Blood oxygen, same, so lowest, highest. Also, you can quickly start a workout from your phone as well if you want to. And also, we can see the past history as well. If I click over here, you can see my battery level. By the way, when it comes to battery life, this also is actually incredibly good. So we can definitely get probably, like, if you are a light user, maybe like even like 2 weeks on this watch. So yeah, definitely battery life also on this watch are actually very decent, but obviously it will depend how heavy you are using your watch. Then also we can like download more applications here, watch face. Okay, so you see, let it load, and we actually have fairly decent watch face over here. So you see, there definitely actually quite a lot of them. So maybe let's click and download and install it. You see it's sending over the new watch face on the watch, so simply let's wait. Okay, so you see we have our new watch face here. Yeah, definitely the watch face also look fairly decent on this watch here. Okay, what is actually in the mine? You see, you can even like create a custom watch face here as well, so with even custom background as well if you want to. So you see it's actually very advanced here. So maybe you can even like get some more apps here. So yep, it appears you can even download some additional applications. Let's see what it looks like. I really have no idea what this is. So how do we access it? Maybe in the... Okay, yep. For example, let's see, we have this new application installed. So yeah, that's actually pretty cool. And overall, is this watch actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, if you're looking for extremely nice looking watch, then this is probably one of the best options out there. Also, the build quality is very decent. I like the strap on it, so it feels very pleasant, actually very premium actually at this price. Also, the display quality is absolutely superb, so you see just how incredibly punchy the colors are on the display. Also, I really like basically this activity index, so you can easily judge basically how active you are. Also, a very decent speaker, microphone, so you can make and receive calls. And for this price, I think that's an absolute bargain, really. By the way, full disclaimer, just like with other smartwatch on my channel, this company also sent it to me to check it out. However, they haven't paid me anything or asked to say anything about it. So yeah, if you're looking for extremely nice looking watch with also very decent build quality and real nice features, this is absolutely awesome. Good luck.